Welcome back to my channel. Rosemary water isn't just another hair trend, it's liquid gold for your hair. Herb backed by science, rosemary stimulates hair follicles, blocks DHT, and speeds up circulation. But here's the secret: when paired with the right natural ingredient, rosemary water becomes a complete treatment for every hair problem. Today, I'll show you 9 powerhouse rosemary water recipes, each targeting a specific hair issue. Let's dive in. 1. Rosemary plus green tea water, for hair fall and thinning. Science. Green tea's EGCG blocks DHT, the hormone behind hair loss. Preparation. Boil 2 cups water plus 2 sprigs fresh rosemary plus 1 green tea bag for 5 minutes, cool, strain. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Use as final rinse 2 to 3 times weekly. 2. Rosemary plus hibiscus water, for thin and dull hair. Science. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C and amino acids that boost collagen. Preparation. Boil 2 cups water plus 2 rosemary sprigs plus 4 hibiscus petals, strain, cool completely. Add 5 drops rosemary essential oil, mix well. Store in spray bottle, fridge shelf life, 5 to 7 days. 3. Rosemary plus fenugreek water, for dandruff and weak roots. Science. Fenugreek has protein and nicotinic acid that strengthen follicles. Preparation. Soak 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds overnight. Boil with 2 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups water for 10 minutes, cool completely and strain. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Massage into scalp twice a week. 4. Rosemary plus rice water, for damaged and slow-growing hair. Science. Rice water contains inositol that repairs and strengthens hair. Preparation. Soak 1/2 cup rice in 2 cups water for 1 hour. Add 2 rosemary sprigs. Boil 5 minutes. Cool completely and strain. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rinse hair with it twice weekly. 5. Rosemary plus aloe vera water, for dry and frizzy hair. Science. Aloe vera balances pH, hydrates scalp and smoothens cuticles. Preparation. Blend 3 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel with 2 cups rosemary water, boiled with 2 sprigs. Strain and cool completely. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Spray evenly, leave 30 minutes, rinse. 6. Rosemary plus curry leaves water, for gray hair and weak follicles. Science. Curry leaves are rich in beta-carotene and proteins that delay graying. Preparation. Boil 10 curry leaves plus 2 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups water for 7 minutes, cool completely, strain. Add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Use weekly as scalp rinse. 7. Rosemary plus moringa leaves water, for thin and nutrient-deficient hair. Science. Moringa is loaded with vitamin A, E, zinc and iron, supports keratin. Preparation. Boil 1 handful moringa leaves plus 2 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups water, strain, cool completely and add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Apply as hair rinse twice weekly. 8. Rosemary plus onion peel water, for bald spots and hair regrowth. Science. Onion peel's sulfur strengthens keratin bonds for regrowth. Preparation. Boil dry peel of 1 onion plus 2 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups water for 10 minutes, strain, cool completely and add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Apply to thinning areas 2 to 3 times weekly. 9. Rosemary plus clove water, for oily and itchy scalp. Science. Clove's eugenol is antimicrobial and improves circulation. Preparation. Boil 5 whole cloves plus 2 rosemary sprigs in 2 cups water for 5 minutes, strain. Cool completely and add 5 drops of rosemary essential oil. Use as scalp spray every other day. These 9 rosemary remedies are like a complete natural pharmacy for your hair. Whether it's hair fall, dandruff, premature graying, or slow growth, there's a rosemary water for you. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural, science-backed remedies. Thank you for watching.